Hello friends, welcome all of you. Myself Manish Joshi. In this lecture, we will discuss about the types of chemical reaction. This is specially prepared for class 10th. How many types of chemical reactions are there? We will discuss in this video. Now, there are 6 types of chemical reactions. We will talk about synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, combustion reaction, oxidation reduction reaction. After the discussion of this topic, you need to able to identify the types of chemical reaction. Now, synthesis reaction. This other name of synthesis reaction, that is combination reaction, or we can say addition reaction. Synthesis reaction occur when two substances, generally elements, combine and form a compound. Sometimes these are called combination or addition reaction. Reactant plus reactant convert into a single product. Basically, A plus B convert into AB. Example, two molecules of hydrogen react with one molecule of chlorine, convert into two molecules of hydrogen react with one molecules of oxygen and convert into two molecules of water. Example, one more, carbon plus oxygen convert into carbon dioxide. This is the comic picture to express the synthesis reaction or addition reaction. Now, here is another example of a synthesis. This is potassium react with chlorine and forms potassium chloride. So all the such type of reactions in which we obtain a single product by the combination of two or more than two reactants, those are known as synthesis reactions. Now, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions occurs when a compound breaks up into the elements or in a few to simpler compounds. One reactant, two or more than two product. In general, AB convert into A plus B, means a molecule of a compound decompose into the molecules of element or simpler compounds. Example, water decompose into hydrogen and oxygen. Another example, mercuric oxide decompose into mercury and oxygen. This is the example, a comic way. When the shell of young turtle or decompose, the young turtle comes out. So in this manner we can understand the meaning of decomposition reaction. Another view of a decomposition reaction, mercuric oxide decompose into mercury and oxygen. Now the third type of reaction, that is single replacement or displacement. Both words are appropriate here. Single replacement reaction occur when one element replaces another in a compound. A metal can replace a metal or a non-metal can replace a non-metal, and the replacement of metal and non-metal based on their reactivity series. Element plus compound convert into product plus product. A plus B convert into AC plus B if A is a metal, or A plus BC convert into BA plus C if A is a non-metal. Remember, the cation always goes first, means the displacement of cation occur first, then anion. Look at here in a comic way, the dance couple, when it changes its partner, there will be displacement. Okay, so because a single man displacing the another man, so this is single displacement or single replacement. This is another view of displacement reactions. Lithium react with water molecule, forms lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Sodium chloride solid react with fluorine gas, NaCl plus F2. Fluorine is more reactive than chlorine, so it displaces chlorine and forms sodium fluoride along with chlorine gas. Note that fluorine replaces chlorine in the compound. Aluminum metal react with aqueous copper sulfate, copper nitrate. Aluminum is more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper and convert into copper plus aluminum nitrate. Here AQ means aqueous solution. This is the balancing of the chemical equation. Now double displacement or double replacement reactions occur when a metal replaces a metal in a compound and a non-metal replaces a non-metal in a compound. Compound plus compound convert into product plus product. AB plus CD convert into AD plus CB. So you can understand that A is also changing its partner along with CD also. Okay. This is the exchange of cap. The cap has been exchanged between these two persons. This is known as double displacement reaction. And in the double displacement reactions, the displacement of cation is dominant over anion. Think about it like foiling in algebra. First and last ion go together plus inside ions go together. Example, silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, form silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. So you can observe that at the reactant side, silver attached with nitrate anion and sodium attached with chloride anion. After reaction, the silver cation attached with chloride anion and sodium ion attached with nitrate ion. So this is the displacement of cation basically. Another example, potassium sulfate react with barium nitrate, convert into potassium nitrate and barium sulfate. So again you can observe that there is a clear-cut exchange of cations between these two compounds. So these are known as double replacement or double displacement reactions. With arrow sign also you can understand. Now combustion reactions. Combustion reactions occurs when a hydrocarbon react with oxygen. This triangle, sometimes you observe this type of triangle on the chemicals. It means these are fuels, these are flammable. This is also called burning. In order to burn something, you need the three things in the fire triangle: a fuel, which is hydrocarbon. What is the meaning of hydrocarbon? Those compounds which are made of hydrogen and carbon only, oxygen to burn it with, and something to ignite the reaction, that is known as spark. In general, CXHY is a general formula of hydrocarbon, react with oxygen and form carbon dioxide and H2O. In picture you are observing carbon monoxide detector. Okay. When the incomplete combustion occurs, there is a formation of carbon monoxide which is highly poisonous than carbon dioxide. Product in combustion are always carbon dioxide and water, although incomplete burn does not cause some byproduct like carbon monoxide. Combustion is used to heat homes and run automobiles. Octane, which is known as gasoline, that is petrol, its formula is C8H18. Azar Allen poised dropping eyes and mouth are potentially sign of carbon monoxide poisoning. Combustion, again C5H12 react with oxygen, convert into carbon dioxide plus H2O. This is the balancing. Write the product and balance the following combustion reactions just for your practice. Product will be CO2 and H2O. This is the balancing. Now oxidation reduction reactions. Many of these 5 types of reactions are also oxidation reduction reactions. Whatever type of chemical reactions which we have studied previously, means synthesized reactions, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement and combustion. Among these 5 types, any one reaction can be oxidation reduction. What is the meaning of oxidation? That is loss of electron, reduction is gain of electrons. But this is not the clear-cut parameter. We have various types of parameter to define oxidation reduction, especially in the terms of oxygen and hydrogen. Reduction, gaining electrons can't happen without an oxidation to provide the electrons. It means where is the reduction, oxidation should be there. This is the meaning. The short term LEO, the line says gear, loss of electron, gain of loss of electron known as oxidation, and gain of electron known as reduction. So in this short subscript you can learn what is the meaning of oxidation and what is the meaning of reduction. Yes, loss, electrons, oxidation, gain, electron, reduction, here, where that century which is famous for the line. Another way to remember, oil rig, oxidation is loss, reduction is gain, which electrons. Before that we have some other parameter also for oxidation reduction. Basically oxidation means gain of oxygen, gain of a non-metal, loss of hydrogen, loss of a metal, and reduction is gain of hydrogen, loss of oxygen, gain of metal, and loss of a non-metal. This is for your practice. State the type and balance the following reactions. Do the practice and identify the types of chemical reaction. In nutshell, synthesize two or more elements or compounds combination to make a more complex substances. A plus B convert into AB. Decomposition, compounds break down into simpler substances. AB convert into A plus B. Single displacement occurs when one element replaces another one in a compound. AB plus C convert into AC plus B. And double displacement occurs when different atoms in two different compounds trade places. Trade places means change their places. AB plus CD convert into AC plus BD. So this is all about the types of chemical reaction. This is for your practice also. Do practice and solve this exercise. Thank you so much.